In this video, I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So if you've already set up the fingerprint feature, but you would like to be able to add multiple fingerprints, this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by opening up settings, then you want to scroll and select lock screen and AOD. From here, select screen lock and biometrics, and then enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. Next, select fingerprints, and then choose this option, add fingerprint. From here, you can then just tap on register, and the process that you used to register your fingerprint, you're just going to use that again to register this other one. So go ahead and place your finger on the sensor like so, and simply move it around in different angles as you keep lifting and pressing so that you can be able to add your fingerprint, like so. And once your fingerprint has been successfully added, you can just tap on done, or you can choose to add another one if you desire. From here, you can now go ahead and test out your fingerprint like so, and then select done. Now, whenever you're unlocking your TriFold, you'll have all the fingerprints that are currently available for you to go ahead and unlock your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.